Hello YouTubers! So this is our first design this week. This one here, we just did the rupee from the Zelda games. I'm going to print a few of those up, paint them up different colors. I always thought that was cool. And obviously we're going to print a bunch of them up and plan to get them out at Earth. So I don't know, I'll probably do a different size of this too. I'll do a smaller one, a little bigger one. But right now, the tornado is down. Got some parts coming. So I'll be back up in a couple days. So the prusa is the only one doing the designs this week, more than likely. So here's the first one. Alright, first batch of rupees is done. Just a little over 2 hours for 6 of them. There's a little line is on them. Not too bad. I'm going to do some that are bigger than this as well. Rim should come off pretty easy. I'm painting them up a bunch of different colors. Alright, so I got some of the larger ones. They're not that much larger, just a little bit. We're going to make a gigantic size difference. That's weird. Nothing shifted. Now the one up in front, I had moved that myself because it said it was outside the print platform, which obviously wasn't the case. So I understand that space, but I don't understand why those back there are almost right on top of each other at the back. It's alright, as usual, we're going to let it ride. Yeah, we're going to have a heck of a wide variety of goodies we'll be giving out at Earth. Won't have a ton of each one, but we're going to have a ton of different stuff. At least that's the way it's shaping up so far. Alright, one for lunch. And the bigger ones are done. Sweet. Little rupees. I don't know what's caused that little line right there, though. That's odd. Got down there and right there. Huh. Anybody have any ideas on that one? It's on every one of them. Weird. Alright, there's the larger rubies. Rupees, sorry. R-U-P-E-E-S. We'll take them out, get them sanded up, paint them up. We'll probably print a bunch of these for Earth. It's just a question if I really want to sit there and paint them all, or maybe put some different color filaments on. I've never been a big fan of the actual 3D printed part look, which is one of the reasons we paint everything. I like it to look like it's supposed to. But it's not in there all things. I mean, just in general, though. So, alright, I'll get them done. Alright, getting ready to go back to work. Running 6 more of the large ones. That'll give me a dozen of the larger and a dozen of the smaller to start with. See how they turn out once I paint them, if I'm happy with them or not. In the process of sanding and getting ready to prime the first few. Alright, got everything painted up. First coat, first sides. Oh, these are so cool. There you are, all done up. I'm not sure if I'll clear coat them or not. Looks cool. These ones are cool. I don't know if I'm going to clear coat that or not. They look pretty good though. What does everybody out there think? You like the rupees? I know everybody's got to remember these from Zelda. I'm going to go ahead and get this video sliced up and get this posted. We'll get the STL. I'm going to patch it up a little bit. Get the STL files up for this here sometime this week. So there we go. There's our first design of the week, number 54 of the year. Or I'm sorry, 55 of the year. 55. We appreciate you watching. Remember to ring the bells. We got a lot of content coming out. And I hope everybody has a wonderful evening. God bless.